Learning how to install Ollny permanent outdoor lights would make your home colorful more easily. Let's do this with this video. First, make sure everything in the box is there. Next, check the lights before installation. Connect each string light one by one. Key point, tighten cap firmly. Then confirm all string lights are connected. Connect the adapter and control box. Next, plug into power to double check that all lights are working. Once confirmed, find the right spot and keep it clean. Peel off the red protective liner from the light's adhesive backing. Install the string lights vertically. Press the light firmly against the surface for at least 5 seconds. Finally, fasten the string lights to the eaves with screws for long-term use. And here's the result. Here are some do's and don'ts for installation. Please check and remember. See you in next video.